There are always opportunities for you to grow.
And nobody can hear you go.
Hi Light Hearts, it's your girl Kunda. I'm your host for the Light Hearts channel and welcome to this week's show. So this week I want to start by sharing some good news. I'm very excited. So last week I actually started working. I know in the first videos that I've shared, I've talked about not having a job and unemployment. So I'm just excited to also be able to share with you that I've started working. And it's a part-time job. I get to work 3 days a week. But I am very, very excited about this opportunity. And anyway, I now have the mindset that when I get an opportunity, no matter how big or how small it is, I am always grateful. I am grateful for the opportunity and I'm grateful to God as well for the opportunity, because I just believe every door that I walk through is an important door to walk through and it's preparing me for the next door. So I don't take any opportunities that come my way lightly. So I am very, very excited about this opportunity. And I know this is something, my work is something that you should be hearing me talk about, because it's in line with something that I love, that I am so passionate about. If you know me, you know that I am someone who loves entrepreneurship. I love business and all things business. That is my first love to some extent. And my job is in line with that. It's in line with entrepreneurship, it's in line with consultancy. So it's something that I'm really, really super excited about. And I'm just excited to see or to experience the things that I'll experience in the coming few months. And some of the work that I'm doing will be something that will be of interest to entrepreneurs in Zambia and investors in Zambia as well. So I know those are some of the things that I'll share about on this channel. So I just hope you stay tuned in, and I'll keep you updated with anything that I think will be of interest to you. So today's topic is, are you an active participant in your family's enterprise? A lot of us in Zambia, a lot of Zambians are entrepreneurs or own businesses at some level. I know there are a lot of people who still don't have businesses, but a lot of people have an entrepreneurial mindset and they own businesses. So my question is, are you actively participating in the business or the enterprise that your family owns? And I bring this up, and I think this is an important conversation for us to have, because I know a lot of young people whose parents have businesses or may have a project or an enterprise of some sort, and they're not involved in that enterprise or in that business at all. And that makes me sad. And they sit around or they go about with their business, chasing for other blessings, asking God to give them other blessings, when they have a blessing that they have buried or that they have neglected. So this is why I want us to have this conversation. So if you're a Zambian youth, or if you're a youth in Africa, you may have a different perception or mindset towards entrepreneurship. I know now it's changing and it's evolving, and I'm happy to see that even our education system has come on board to try and prepare young people for entrepreneurship, to try and create a more positive mindset and attitude towards entrepreneurship. But in the past, entrepreneurship was something that was actually looked down on. So if you were an entrepreneur, you were someone who had failed school or who was uneducated, so you had no other option, no other choice, and you went into business or into entrepreneurship. And some of us may have been raised by parents who were uneducated and didn't have any other means of making money, so they started a business. So because of that, you may associate entrepreneurship or that venture or that business that they have with something that you do just because you failed or you cannot find anything better to do. And because of that mindset, a lot of young people do not want to engage in those businesses. They don't want to participate in those projects or enterprises. So today I want to let you know that the business that your parents have is not just their business, it's your business as well. That enterprise, that project is your inheritance. Do you understand? That enterprise is your inheritance. So it's very important that where you are now, at whatever age or whatever level you are at, you start getting involved in that business or that project. It's important that you learn to understand it. You learn to understand how it works and learn to understand how you can contribute to the growth and the health of that project or that enterprise, so that you can become, when the time comes for you to inherit it, you inherit a very healthy, thriving business or project. Or even now, as you are being a participant, an active participant in that project or that enterprise, you will get to benefit. You get to gain experience. You also get to benefit financially, depending on what the arrangement you will have with your parents or with your parents. So if your family has a business, don't look down on it. Not at all. It's something that is very important to the economy of your family, even to the economy of the country at large. So I encourage every young person to ensure that they are actively participating in the business that the family has. And when I talk about business, don't just think of something that is very big. The business that your family may have can be a cantemba. It can be a farm that's just starting out. It can be a farm that is in its growth stage. It can be a business that has already grown and is thriving. So at whatever level your business is at, make sure you the business that your family has, make sure you're participating. And your participation can be through giving your time to the business. If you're a school-going child, on the weekends you can go work at the business. If you are in college and you close school, you can spend time working with your parents and helping use the knowledge and skills that you're learning at school and implement them in that business. If you're someone who's working and you have a source of income, you can use that, you can be an investor in the business. Because all businesses, for them to grow, they actually need money. And as we know, it's hard to get financing in Zambia, or it's expensive to get financing in Zambia. So if you have a source of income, why not become, and you're too busy to participate actively in the business, why not become an investor? And that's also a form of participation in the business. So don't take the back seat. Those businesses are very important, and those businesses, again, they're very important and they're your inheritance. So make sure you're participating in the growth and in the health of the business. That is what I wanted to share with you today, and I think this is very important. This is a very important message. If you like the conversation that we're having, please share with your family and your friends. Let them know about this. If you have friends whose parents have businesses, please encourage them to participate in the businesses that their parents have. Encourage them to be active participants. So that is it for me. Till next week. I love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
Way back a year ago.